Hi guys, happy Monday. Today we're going to be looking at the different governments that developed in ancient Greece and how democracy developed and why did it come into being. Democracy, of course, is a model for much of what we use today in our government and in many governments. It was a direct democracy in Greece, where here we have a representative democracy or democratic republic, so there are differences, but this is where we took a lot of our ideas from. And so we're going to go ahead on the next few slides and see how governments in ancient Greece developed and why they stopped working and they moved on to something else. You'll have 2 days to go through these slides, so I'll do them today, tomorrow. The last 2 slides, there's charts to work on based on the slides. So you can do that in your notebook or on Google Doc and submit it to me by Tuesday night, Wednesday would be fine. Enjoy. Also, you'll see on each slide there's a little box with an arrow on it where you can click and listen to me go through the slides with you and read them aloud.